welcome back. I know you're getting probably getting pretty bored of paint. As I say, I'm still in the process of paint. I'm limited to what I can do at the moment, obviously with waiting for things to dry. I can't create dust in the garage. And luckily I was speaking to a good friend of mine over in Japan, a gentleman called Kiyochiro, Kiyo for short. Now, I've known this guy for probably a few years now, and we've basically been sort of like, we email each other, send each other pictures of bikes, and he's into bikes as well. He's into basically your Z1s and etc. He actually works for a company over there called PMC, which do a lot of aftermarket and replica parts for Z1s, Z900s, etc. I believe they do H1s and H2s. So we've been chatting for some time, and last year he sent me a load of photos across where him and the company he works for actually attended the Tokyo motorcycle show. So he sent me over a lot of pictures. I put them together as a little sort of collection slideshow, and it went down quite well. So he's contacted me again this year. He's just been to the Tokyo motorcycle show. Again, he's sent me a load of pictures, which is really great. So if you're watching, thank you, Kiyo. I really appreciate your photos and your friendship. I keep him updated on the booster build and how it's going. He's interested in that. It is a bit difficult communicating with each other. I speak no Japanese, he speaks no English, so we rely on Google Translate. But as I say, he's actually sent me over some photos. So as I'm in limbo at the moment of say waiting for paint to dry, I can't create dust, so I'm kind of stuck at the moment. I've put together a little collection of the photos he's actually sent me. So sit back, cup of tea, and enjoy. Right, I hope you enjoyed that. That was good to say. It was some great pictures, great bikes, etc. So again, thank you, Keo. That was very generous of you to send me the actual pictures. As promised, I said I'd put it into a video. So again, keep all your feedback coming. I'm now getting questions from actually people that have got problems on bikes. So these are going back to some of the early Hayabusa videos, especially with like putting it into dealer mode, etc. And I've had some questions again on the ST1100, and people have got some problems. So if I can help you, I will. So keep your questions coming. I'll try and help you. If not, I do know other people that can give me the information and I can feed it back to you. So I mean, that's basically what this channel is all about. It's almost like a community where if I don't know, I'll ask, I'll find out. I don't know everything, but I'll strive to try and help you if I can. So keep the feedback coming. As I say, subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of every video. So please like and subscribe. It is important to me. The subscribers is growing, the views are growing, the likes are growing. So thank you very much, but keep the support coming. Links to other videos as usual, top left and top right hand corners. I'll usually put in either side, it will be a best for viewer video, and there'll also be a playlist video, which could be the Busa, it could be the Minimoto, the ST, the Varadero. I'll mix it up a bit. So thanks for joining me on that one, and see you again next time. Cheers, bye.